Hi, this is Brad. We're going to do a walk around on a 1996 Ford Mustang GT. It's got 46,857 miles on it, stock number 4068, and this vehicle does have a clear title. And walking around this vehicle's hid in the front. We're not going to let it run real long. The coolers are bad in this vehicle. It just got bumped in the front. And then we'll shut her off right away. You can see the coolers are pushed back, a little damage there, and then on this model car you can see that the airbag sensors are right in the front, and the airbags did go off on this car. And you can see it's going to need a hood. The hood is split on it. I'll give you a wider view of the damage in the front. Coming around, you can see there's a dent in the fender there. And going around, there's some little nicks and scratches here. It looks like there's a little door ding in the lower front door there. And this quarter's got some scratches and nicks in it. And then the rear bumper cover, you can see that the paint is flaking on it right there. And you can see through the back window it does have a Mach-1 sound system in it. And then onto this door, I don't know if they hit this door from the inside because it did separate. The door did get separated. The outer skin, you can see right there, it needs some repair. Door does open and close. And it is a GT with a 4.6 liter. And going around to the inside of the car, very clean car for the year of it. We have power windows, power locks, driver's seat is power, cruise, air, tilt. Does have a cassette player them days, and then you can see the drivers and the passengers airbag is deployed. We have a coolant light on, and the airbag lights are on when you had it running. It does have a CD player on the bottom there, I see. Automatic transmission, and like I say, very, very clean for the year with only 40-some thousand miles on it. So, if you have any questions, please give us a call, and please watch the following video how you can sign up for YouTube updates for new cars arriving at Advanced Auto. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for viewing that video from Advanced Auto. And this is Brad. I just want to explain a few of the things on YouTube. And I want to point out this button right here that says subscribe. And I want to tell you a little bit about that. If you push that button, that'll take you through a process through YouTube that you will subscribe to our channel, which is Repairables.com, and you will receive our videos and our videos only from YouTube. And this is very nice because it'll give you video updates before anybody else gets them of new inventory coming into Advanced Auto. As soon as we post a video and put it on YouTube, you're going to get an email and you'll be able to see the make and model of that car. And hey, if you want to watch the video, go ahead. If you don't, you can go ahead and delete it. And also, if you click on Repairables.com, this will bring you to this page, which is actually our channel. And then there is also a subscribe button right there where you can subscribe. And it does explain a bunch of things about the company that we've been in 27 years. And then a nice feature on the bottom is you can scroll down and you can look at all the videos we have posted and vehicles that we have sold, and it can give you a pretty overall idea what kind of inventory we're buying. And maybe at that point you'd say, hey, I'd want to subscribe because he's getting in the kind of cars, we're getting in the kind of cars that I am interested in. So it's a very nice feature. And again, like I say, all you would have to do is push the subscribe button and go through the process. And anytime in the future, if you decide that you want to unsubscribe, that's very easy to do too, where you won't receive the updates anymore. So please keep viewing, and I hope you subscribe to our channel, Repairables.com, and I want to thank you again. Thanks again.